Good morning everyone, today we're looking at another Bering watch. I have done a Bering Solar watch before, but we're going to be looking at a different sort of variant of the colour today. So initial look at the box is it's a simple sort of lightweight card outside box with this sort of dotted line texturing on the front here. Simple sort of sticker to go over the lid as well, just to keep that down. Overall it's a very simple, very functional style box. The sticker. Inside reveals a grey detailing with a grey sock for the watch to be sat on. So here we go guys, this is the Bering Solar in the blue. It's got a 33mm case diameter with a 8mm case thickness. Retails at £210, probably weighs around about 50 grams, not a heavy watch, and uses a solar quartz movement. So this has got what they call a tonneau shape, so it's a bit like a rounded square sort of thing. Waterproof to 3 atmospheres. So if we have a look at that dial, we've got sort of a old-fashioned vintage style lined effect to the actual main centerpiece to the dial. Then the outside is a navy blue with fully luminous hands, fully luminous increments dotted around. You've got sapphire glass. It's curved to go over the top of the actual face of the watch, rather than being flat. It's got that sort of curved structure to it. It's full. This casing is a full 316 stainless steel IP plated silver. Start that again. 316 stainless steel silver plated arm plating. It's got like a minimalistic approach really in terms of the simplicity. So coming out to the casing, obviously we've got a better look at that stainless steel casing here. Let's have a look at the crown. So the crown's got a polished effect on it with a looks like quite small in size. Let's have a look at the that now. Only one position to this crown because obviously actually there is a date dial, sorry, it was hidden. Nice strong movement to the hands in the second position. Let's see if I can. And nice, the clicks are well defined, which is a nice thing. Yeah, so the date dial is nice and smooth, a little bit tiny, probably might need a Cyclops eye or good eyesight to be able to see that. When the battery is fully charged, you get a 6 to 12 month battery life, but any sort of exposure to light will charge the battery anyway, so if it's sitting in the cupboard for a while it might drain. So coming to the strap, you've got a 29mm strap, but I'm not sure you'll be able to change it. It's a mesh style strap with a vintage style sliding buckle. So this flicks, this little bit here, this it flicks up so you can slide it up and down based on how you want it to fit. It's a full navy blue mesh style strap going all the way around with a mesh, like iron plated blue stainless steel, guess you can call it clasp, and that just links on the top here with, if you wanted to adjust that, just need to use the other piece, but that's what that would sit here roughly. Come down to the back of the casing, full Bering style back plate here, a few more markings on the back. These straps are held in place by little tiny screws if you ever wanted to remove the strap. So there we go guys, that is the Bering Solar blue variant.